Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Going into the Revlon palette, I'm taking this dark gray shade and popping it directly into my crease just for a wash of color. Now I'm taking this hard candy glitter glue, and this is going to help so the color that we put on our lid really sticks. For that, I'm taking this shade in the Revlon palette. It's a really pretty champagne shade. I also took a little bit of that first shade from the palette and popped it over top just to add more of a sheen to the look. Now I'm going into this Revlon jelly highlighter. I'm popping this all over my lid. This is what really gives the look a nice shine and glossy effect. Then lastly, going back in with that dark gray shade, I'm using it to smudge out my lash line and create a nice wing. And then popping on some lashes, and I'll just start the face. Of course, to prime, I'm taking my Too Faced Hangover Primer. You guys already know. Now I'm trying something new out. This is the Pixi Glow Mist. They sent it to me and I'm loving it. It's like a rose glow mist and it makes your skin super glowy and hydrated, so I love that. Now for foundation, I'm taking this one by NARS and mixing these two shades and then applying that with my damp sponge. Now to highlight as well as conceal, I'm taking this one by Too Faced and I'm putting this on the center of my face and underneath my eyes. As you guys see, I used a lighter shade just to make my face look a little bit more awake and brighter. To bake my under eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and applying this wherever I put that concealer. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm just going back into that dark gray shade and applying this from inner to outer lash line very closely, really making sure to smoke it out. And then taking a clean fluffy brush and really making sure to blend this all out. And lastly, going in with some mascara. This is the Pixi mascara and applying it to my bottom lashes. And that is it for the eyes. So easy. I love this look. To finish up the face, we're going to bronze it. So for that, I'm taking my Physician Formula bronzer and applying this to the perimeter of my face. Going back in with that loose powder, I'm just cleaning up my bronzer. For blush, I'm taking this one by Tarte. It's a really nice rosy blush and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Now for highlight, I first applied the L'Oreal Liquid Drops. I apply a bunch of different things because I want this look to be very glowy and illuminating. Once I'm done applying that, I go in with this MAC highlighter. I believe it's in Soft and Gentle, and I just apply this right over top. And then for a little bit more of a glow, I go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and apply a little bit of that highlighter over top of that as well. for lips, I take this lipstick from MAC in Japanese Maple, and then right over top of it, I go in with the Revlon lip gloss. And yeah, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.